In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sound icon in Figma using one of the most popular and powerful plugins for UI assets, Iconify. Whether you're designing a media player, a settings panel, or any interface that needs audio controls, this is one of the fastest and cleanest ways to bring high-quality icons into your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your Figma design file. You can use the desktop app or the browser. The process is identical. Once your file is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. This bottom toolbar is where Figma keeps some of the most useful utility tools, including the menu for plugins and widgets. Click on the resources icon in the bottom bar. This opens a panel where you can search for plugins, widgets, and components from the Figma community. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Type Iconify into the search field. Iconify is one of the largest icon libraries available for Figma, offering thousands of icons from multiple design sets: material icons, fluent icons, feather, heroicons, carbon, and many more. It's a must-have for UI designers. When you see the Iconify plugin appear, go ahead and click Run to open it. Iconify will open in a side panel, and at the top, you'll see another search bar. This is where you choose the specific icon you want. Type sound or volume depending on what style you're looking for. Instantly, you'll see dozens of sound-related icons: speaker icons, loudspeaker icons, mute icons, volume levels, waveform icons, and more. Scroll through the results until you find the sound icon that best fits your design style. Now, here's one of the best hidden features of Iconify. You can switch between light mode and the dark mode icons using the small sun icon located near the plugin's search bar. If your UI design uses dark backgrounds, switching to light icons keeps everything readable. If you're working with a clean white layout, dark icons provide contrast. This toggle alone saves you from manually recoloring icons later. Once you've found the perfect sound icon, click on it. Iconify will instantly insert the vector icon directly onto your canvas. You can resize it by dragging from the corners, recolor it from the fill panel on the right, or convert it to outlines if you want to customize the shape. Because the icon imports as vector paths, it stays crisp at any size. Whether you need a tiny 16 pixel icon for a mobile UI or a large 128 pixel asset for a dashboard interface. If you're creating multiple audio icons, mute, low volume, high volume, you can repeat the search and insert workflow and build a full icon system in just a few seconds. And that's it. Open your file, run Iconify from the bottom menu, search sound, toggle between light and dark icons, and drop the perfect sound icon into your design. It's fast, clean, and one of the easiest ways to add professional grade icons to your Figma projects.